might go and get one and I'll bring it out, and if it's still quiet, I'll do an unboxing and I'll show you what they are. Rightio, so you get the box obviously, then inside the box we've got a bag. Now, inside this bag we'll put it together as we go. So you get your reel end, which has got your, it's not bad grade winder to hold the reel on. It's got a little stainless steel tab to hold the hook. And then we just start putting it together. Ideal for travelling, push bikes, anything like that. I'm 6'3", so these are a little bit over 7 feet. And there you have it. Nice little compact, good for kids I reckon, good for start up for light fishing. And then all you do is you just pack it all back up. And there you go, straight in your backpack. Away you go. Very compact and a great little idea, I think.